A long time ago, when people on earth were falling into sin, the angels spoke about the weakness of mankind. They said, "Human beings are always disobeying Allah while we remain pure and never sin." Allah, in His wisdom, wanted to show them that even the most powerful beings could fall if tested. So Allah chose two angels, Harut and Marut, and sent them down to Babylon as a trial. They were given the duty of teaching people about magic, but with a strict warning. Every time they taught, they would say, "This is a test for you. Do not misuse this knowledge and do not lose your faith." They taught so people could recognize falsehood and protect themselves, not so that evil could spread. But among those who came to them was a woman of great beauty known as Zohra. Some traditions say she was more beautiful than anyone they had ever seen. Zohra desired to learn the secrets of the angels, but she placed conditions before them. She said, "I will not accept your teaching unless you do three things: drink wine, kill an innocent person, and bow down before an idol." At first, Harut and Marut resisted. They reminded themselves that these were among the greatest sins. Yet the beauty and temptation of Zohra overwhelmed them. Slowly they gave in. They drank the wine, they committed the killing, and they bowed to the idol. When they completed her conditions, Zohra revealed her true form. She transformed and flew away into the sky, leaving them humiliated. At that moment, Harut and Marut realized the gravity of their sin. The very angels who once looked down on mankind had fallen into disobedience. As punishment, Allah suspended them upside down in a well in Babylon. There they remained, suffering until the day of judgment. This story was told as a warning. If angels with all their strength could fall because of pride and temptation, how much more should human beings guard themselves? It is a reminder that arrogance can destroy faith and that the beauty of this world should never lead us away from Allah.
Thank you for watching my video. I will be back with my new video. Follow me, you don't miss it, my new video. Thank you. Bye.